Hadin Bau Sanjay Koyal, Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi District, ulalai ban Shimti kum Secretary jong ketenat Finance ke Sarkar Jela, barhaka jaka jong lawan ban Shimti do ba PS Dkhar DC Berem ke West Janti Hills, nakaliang ke Office Deputy Commissioner, kala pelong daga jingyelang ke Bakerpang, ban ai buram yu goyal, barro ban pediang snow bahai ba Dkhar kum DC batmai. Hakan daga jingyelang lai don rekatlang kinong tre ke Office DC, ki he pulen, ki magistrate bat yuwe. Habakran haswa bunu IT yakan ga shuki shaw bad Dkhar u koyal la kantu ya baro ki shakri sarkar bakin trai hok bad ban minat ikakam badro bakin don ka jingye dai ke bajan bad ki pajba.
I took over the district with lot of things reported in the paper, and I like to share with you that in what circumstances I took over. I was in Tura, lot many things came in the newspaper. I gave a representation to the Chief Secretary that I might not be allowed to join as DC here. That was turned down, and maybe the government had some thoughts, and then they asked me to take over immediately after the 26th January was over. So that landed me here, because that has not been the convention, as SP has mentioned, that somebody gets 3 districts in this small state, which at that point of time was having only 7 districts. So I tried to find out the records. There were not many who have served in 3 districts. So I feel lucky and thank the government for posing that confidence in me. And to a certain extent, we tried that I live up to the expectation of the government, especially for East Khasi district, which is quite different. I worked in Jowai and in Tura. It's slightly different in various ways, and all of us who are sitting here are aware about those the points of difference which this place has in compared to the other places. Especially for our staff here, I'd like to point one thing, that our conduct in the public life is very important. How do we behave and how do we treat the people is very important. And I hope that the dignity of this office is maintained.